The aim of the study was to compare the clinical and cognitive features between late-onset multiple sclerosis and adult-onset multiple sclerosis. So we analyzed the data from a cohort of 61 late-onset multiple sclerosis patients and 122 adult-onset multiple sclerosis patients. And the results of the study showed that compared to adult-onset multiple sclerosis, patients with a late onset had a more severe physical disability and poorer performance on motor tests, and they also had a higher prevalence of cognitive dysfunction, especially in memory, attention, and verbal fluency. Another result of the study is that male patients of both groups, adult onset and late onset, had a more severe clinical and cognitive profile compared to the female counterpart. The increasing incidence of late-onset multiple sclerosis, I think, poses new challenges because the progression of the disease overlaps with the progression of aging. So I think that our study shows and highlights some interesting aspects of the clinical and cognitive profile of late-onset multiple sclerosis. With the same disease duration, the disease burden seems to be heavier for patients with a late onset compared to patients with an adult onset. And I think that this is particularly true for male patients who appear to seem they are less resilient than the female counterpart.